he was like, next celebration. She's like, what's the first concert? Doing this. It was ridiculous. Beyond that.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hello, no one is available to take your call at this time. Please leave a message after the tone.
Chapel Hill, we feeling good out there? Now I'll try that again. We feeling good out there? Heck yeah, I think someone's coming out. If you didn't hear it before, we're a little band called When the Rain Gathers from Greensboro. Thank you so much for coming out to Chapel Hill or the cave. This is the first show of When the Rain Gathers, so thank you guys so much for making this so special. So, a little bit about us. We're a hardcore / Midwest emo group from Greensboro. And for these next few songs, we're gonna get a little bit sad. Is that all right?
That's okay.
Is that all right, Chapel Hill? Thank you. So, another fact about us, this band is entirely instrumental, so none of these songs have vocals, because who needs vocals for good music, am I right? So, this next song, I wrote it with the feeling of, you want something to last forever, like something you deeply love, you want it to last forever, but unfortunately the cruel reality is, it can't last forever. And that's something we have to deal with every day, which is super sad. So, in this moment right now, I want to dedicate this to my grandfather who unfortunately passed away a few weeks ago. The song's called Almost Always. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Real quick, I want to give a shout out to The Cave for letting us have this space and do some awesome music for you guys. Thank you so much. I want to give a quick shout out to all the bands that are playing right after us. Who's ready for Car Crash Pool Party?
Yeah.
Who's ready for Youth Group? How about 18 Odd? And the Homies and Demerge. I can't stick around for all of them. They're such awesome bands. So, another little fun fact about us. Before anyone goes out looking, we do not have any Apple Music or Spotify because we are a band that believes that true emotion is shown visually rather than just listening. So we want When the Rain Gathers to be an experience rather than just another band to listen to. And also, so many artists, so many bands have been taken advantage of by the streaming industry. We're not going to be one of those bands. So thank you guys for supporting live music and it's all of its genuinity. Thank you. So this next song, the title, it comes from a friend of mine on Discord. I can't remember exactly what they were upset about, but I think they were talking about fixing their PC or something, I don't know. But shout out to my friend Shork for coming up with this out of their rant. The song's called Too Tired to Care, Too Broke to Fix It.
haven't done it in a while, so I feel like I must. This will be up for sale later.
We're still having fun out there. Okay, thank you so much. So, one last fun fact, and I'll stop boring you all with this. So, when I first started making this project, I didn't really think much of it. This entire thing that's happening up here started from just simply noodling on a Fender Jazzmaster in a Guitar Center over in Greensboro. And now it's this. So, just to say, if you have a dream, stick with it.
Yeah!
And so, this next song is the little idea I had that I was using at that Guitar Center. And it's the first song I wrote for this project. This comes from after like a year of getting over a really bad breakup. Basically, she cheated on me. So, so basically came from that feeling. The song's called "Rather Forget Than Forgive." Just to let y'all know, X's are X's for a reason. Hit them with your car. Put a bounty on them. Burn them at the stake. Whatever you have to do. Forget them.
From all over.
That's the thing. That's what it is, man.
Thank you guys so much.
You were amazing.
So, we got 2 more songs for you guys, and then Car Crash Pool Party is going to come up and slaughter. So you would think for an instrumental band, we would have enough original material. Wrongo. So, this next song is a cover, because why the heck not? But I want to ask, who here has heard of a band called Movements?
Oh, I fucking love movements.
One guy, that's fine. So, this song is coming from their record Feel Something that was released over 5 years ago, almost 10 years ago, something like that, I don't know. And after I saw Movements tour with Knocked Loose in 2022, it was a wild show. This song, as well as the song Full Circle, really stuck with me, and it's one of my favorites off that record. This song is called Colorblind. hardcore. Is that alright? Well, what I need for this last song, I need everything you got. So that means jumping, pushing, whatever. I need to see something out there.
bartender, by the way.
I can see again. Oh, every time, bro.